Hi. One of my favorite things, well, first of all, oatmeal raisin cookies. Hello. So we're having the grandkids over today and we are making oatmeal raisin cookies, but one of my favorite things is a little cooking tip or a little baking tip that I learned when I was younger, and I'm going to pass it on to you. So I learned that if you want really fluffy, beautiful raisins instead of chewy raisins in your cookies, you can put boiling water over your raisins, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you're going to strain it. I will take you, and we're going to strain it. And then your raisins are ready for the cookies. And they are going to be nice and soft and beautiful in your oatmeal raisin cookies. Nana the Glam Gardener on YouTube. See you there. Awesome.